Okay, so we stayed in a two-bedroom suite on the seventh floor, I believe. So this is the layout of the room we stayed in for our trip. Um yeah, so this so this is my sister right here. Okay, so behind the door was pretty spacious, so you could like set your luggage there. Um, and this is the kitchenette right here. So the kitchenette, so there's the table, and then there's two chairs, and then it also has like a bench that pulls out. And then there's a safety box there. And then we had on top of this on top of the counter was like the sink, the microwave, and the coffee maker. And this was the fridge. I didn't know why it opened this way. And then there was shelves, and then the ice box and plates. And then right here in the corner, I guess this was like the nightstand slash like storage, I guess. And then there was like this like big surfboard right there. And then here is the two beds. And then in the center of the beds was this like treasure box or chest box. I'm not sure how you call it. It doesn't open, by the way. It would have been nice if it did. And then there's the alarm clock and the phone. And yeah, so that's basically it. The beds were pretty comfortable, I would say. We have a TV, and then I guess under there were like hooks where you can like hook something up. I didn't really like the fact it didn't have like places to put like clothes and stuff, like a dresser, but yeah. So this is the view, a pretty nice view. I think this was a pool view room, so you had the view of the pool and like literally the whole resort. And then we're gonna go into the second bedroom. So this bedroom, if you're someone who wants privacy, it's gonna work great for you. And there's my sister. That's my other sister. Yeah, so this is the other bedroom. So there's a TV in here. It has a bed, a stool, and then there's another view. We were staying on like the corner. We had like a corner view room, I guess you can say that. And then on the side of the beds were like these lamps. And then it also had like these little shelves. I guess they were like, how you call those? Like, I don't know how to call them, but they're just shelves by the bed. And then there was the closet right here. It had drapes. It doesn't have doors. And then there's like an iron board in there. Yeah, so pretty much when I saw the bathroom, this is a mirror, but when I saw the bathroom, I pretty much gathered this was a mobility room. So I guess that's why there wasn't like a dresser in the room. But there's a toilet, the sink, and then there's the shower. So I was pretty annoyed because I think when I had like went and back and booked the room, because I had booked a normal room, but I guess when I went and changed the dates and like booked and then like booked again, like I guess like I mistakenly booked this room. But yeah, but that's the end of the tour.
You